Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Tone from Bitget to Tonkeeper. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bitget application. Once you have logged into your Bitget account, after that you just need to click on this assets tab at the bottom left right corner and click on the spot at the top. Now here you can see this withdraw option, so you just have to tap on this withdraw button and now click on the on-chain withdrawal from here. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in this search bar you have to search for Tone and simply search Toncoin at the top. You will be landed on this page. Here you will need to paste all your withdrawing details in order to transfer Tone from Bitget to your Tonkeeper account. Now in order to get this withdrawal address, simply minimize your Bitget and now you need to open your Tonkeeper. After that you can simply tap on this receive button and here you can see your Toncoin wallet address along with the QR code. So you just have to copy this Toncoin address. After copying this address, reopen your Bitget and paste this address in this wallet address bar. After that it will automatically select this network on Tone network, and after that enter the amount of Tone you are transferring from your Bitget to Tonkeeper, for example 50. And after that click on this withdraw button at the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Tone coin from your Bitget account to your Tonkeeper account, and that's how you can transfer Tone from Bitget to Tonkeeper. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.